Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson and this is Surplus Funds 101. Just want to start off by saying thank you to all the people who have subscribed to the channel, liked the video, or even sent in PayPal donations. The most recent one was from KYM Consulting Group. Just wanted to give you guys a little shout out and say thanks a lot. All those PayPal donations, that goes to fund my little side hobby, and that is get my pilot's license. And so I'm about halfway through. And so all those PayPal donations really help out with that. Regardless, I wanted to make a quick video today and show you guys one of the states that I'm going to start working in, along with the exact instructions on how to sign up yourself. Okay. That state that I am about to open up is Nevada. I have all the data in the auto dialer, and we're going to start letting it rip here on Monday. But regardless, one of the reasons why I picked Nevada is Nevada, Wyoming, and Delaware. Those are three very well-known places you go to embezzle money or hide money. I know I shouldn't really be talking about that on a YouTube video, but if you are talking about helping people recover lost funds, why don't you go to a place that has some good rules and regulations in place to make it real easy to not pay taxes and things like that? And so I have a very, very strong hunch that this is going to be a really good state. As a matter of fact, I know it's going to be a killer state to work. I have a few friends that are working in here, and they're pulling out monster accounts. And so I'm just going to piggyback on what's already working, and hopefully you guys do the exact same. Okay, so here is how I went and registered for the state, and I'm going to give you guys instructions on how to do the exact same thing as well. So when you go to the nevadatreasurer.gov website, that's all you need to type in at the very, very top of any search bar. It's going to come to a website that looks just like this. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the Unclaimed Property tab right here on the top left. Boom. Unclaimed Property is the very first drop down. Okay, now it's going to take you to the unclaimed property section. Now, I've talked about this in some other videos. The very first thing you guys want to do is you want to be able to go and find where any investigator handbook might be, or any rules and regulations or specific instructions on how you need to file claim packages with the state so they pay you. That's really important. Okay, so on the website, if you go to the very, very bottom, right here, you go underneath Find Your Missing Money, and you type in, you click on the Investigators tab right there. Okay. Now, it's only 2 pages long, but this is their very, very brief version of their investigator handbook. Now, a lot of this stems off of the legislator, and here is the numbers for that. So if you want to do a lot more in-depth search, you would look up that right there. But regardless, you guys, here are, so you guys don't have to read the whole entire thing. I kind of bolded it all down for you. You must wait 24 months to collect on an account. That's pretty standard nationwide. The state pays the claimant directly. Okay, that's not uncommon at all. And so all you'd have to do is just send them an invoice. There's lots of different ways to do that as well. The max you can collect is 10%. And then as far as the leads go, that's a big one that a lot of people always wonder, what states can I work where they just hand me the leads? I don't want to have to manually do anything. I want to be able to just get the CVS list, get it skip trace, and that'll be that. Well, this state, it offers you leads. They come in the format of a CD. I know it's 2020 right now. 2021 will be here in about, 2 weeks. And people are still sending out CD-ROMs. It's ridiculous. It doesn't make sense, but it is what it is. The state charges you $30, and they update all their content in January and July. So if you want to get all the fresh updated content so you're not dialing any stuff that any other investigators might have gone through, go in July and then buy the CD again. Okay. The way that you're going to go about doing that is on a blank piece of paper. You're just going to write on a letterhead and write it, your name, your information, and then put in a check or a money order for $30. You want to send it to this address right here. And along with that, you want to put a photocopy of either a government ID or a valid driver's license. And so that's that. Once the state gets it. They're going to send you a CD, and then you're going to take that data just like you would anything else, and you're going to get it skip traced, and you're going to start calling, following up, and then closing deals. Okay. Here's all the boiled down. Oh, one more thing. Okay. As far as the paperwork that you're going to have a claimant sign with you, this is the one that I've created. And I have talked to a friend that's an attorney in the state of Nevada, and he said that this would work just fine. Okay. Now, if you guys want to have my paperwork that I've been using that works just fine, that I had my attorney look over, if you guys just make a small donation to the that channel, I'll just send this over to you for free. So you don't have to hire an attorney or go through any of the headache of making sure the right stuff is there, anything's missing. And so it's just a standard claimant agreement. But with that being said, you guys, I hope this serves you well. And, if you're thinking about moving into the Nevada state in order to do some surplus fund deals, I would highly suggest it. I got a lot of people I know right now that are pulling out some monster accounts out of there. But anyways, if you guys found any value in this, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Hey, thanks. Bye-bye.